Well, probably not many of you know that you can use popular AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and many others to generate a QR code. And among these tools that I tried, there are only two that I highly recommend for a reason that I will explain later. So if you want to create a QR code using, let's say, ChatGPT, you can start a new thread and then you can provide a simple instruction like, hey, please generate a QR code that says, and then you can describe the text or number that you want to convert into a QR code. So this is a simple instruction that you can try, but recently on my testing, for whatever reason, the AI in ChatGPT is just not quite consistent. It is not using the appropriate tool, even though I know for sure that ChatGPT comes with a native QR code generator. So for some reason, it is using the image model, which is not the right tool for actually creating a QR code. So I have to modify the prompt a bit, and I want to tell ChatGPT to use analysis tool to process this request and send a message. And the downside of adding this instruction is it will make the process a bit slower than usual, but at the end it should be able to create a link that will lead you to the QR code that was created by this AI tool. And there you go. So this is the link. I can open it and it should download the QR code to my device, and this is the result. Now, ChatGPT is not the only option that you can try, and there is actually a tool, an AI tool that I think is even better than ChatGPT. One example is the Qwen chat from Alibaba. So it is actually will create the QR code quickly and it will display directly on the chat screen, so you don't have to manually download the file to your computer in order to see the visual of the content. Now, how about other AI tools like Claude, Gemini, Zero AI, Perplexity, Deepseek, and many others? Well, I have tried them and they do work. Like, for example, you can use Claude AI to generate a QR code, but it is actually not really creating a QR code, but rather it is creating a program or application that can generate a QR code. So there is a middleman basically, and while it works, it's not very fast because you have to wait for AI to code everything and then generate this QR code based on the program that it just generated. So it does work, but it is a bit slower. And the same is true for Gemini. You have to use the canvas mode to generate the program to create a QR code. It is also true for Zero AI. It is also true for Perplexity, although in Perplexity it is kind of slow and a lot of times it's not very accurate. But for other tools like Deepseek and Mistral, unfortunately, from my testing, they're not able to create even the program to create the QR code. So right now, I do recommend either using ChatGPT or Qwen AI to create a QR code using AI. So that's basically one trick that you can try to quickly create a QR code with this AI tool. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.